Today we got Samsung J1 Mini Prime charging board replacement. First thing first, we are going to remove the back cover, remove the battery, and we are going to put the charger on and then test the voltage with the multimeter on the DC voltage. The voltage was 0.6, it's very low, it should be 4.2, 4.3. Now we can tell that the charging port is damaged and we are going to replace it. Start, remove the SIM card, the memory, and then we are going to heat the front screen. There is no screws from the behind. You can unplug the screen flex cable. This device is very annoying to be assembled. The screen is glued and it's tough, not easy to be removed easily. Not to mention this device is 2-layer touch screen and screen itself. They are not connecting and that was making the job so difficult. Also, they are thick. This operation could take a long time. You can take all of your time unless you want to damage something, touch screen or the screen itself. I just go around 20 minutes to assemble the screen. I'm heating around 25 Celsius degree. Don't put too much heat on the touch screen. It could be damaged. This is a bad touch screen. It's an old manufacturer. The touch screen of these devices is very sensitive, so we have to be careful. If this is the first time you disassemble this device, I prefer to watch the full disassemble, then you can start. I will leave you for a few minutes. I come back. I forgot that there is 2 other screws in the middle. I thought I could be able to remove the board with the screen, but unfortunately I was wrong. I forgot about the 2 screws in the middle. The device assembled with 6 screws, 2 down, 2 in the middle, 2 in the top, and that's it. So I was trying to push the board, but unfortunately no luck. So I had to remove the screen itself. The screen also is glued. Don't push the card too much in the top of the screen. there is flex cables down there. It's important. You can see in the top of the screen there is flex cables, the touch screen and the screen itself. You see the two screws in the middle. There's two screws. Assemble the board on the housing. Even when I removed the two screws, the board was somehow difficult to be removed. Put the board on the holder and bring the new charging port. Put soldering flux. It's Amtech flux. Now bring heat gun and soldering iron. This will allow you to remove the charging port easily. Put some soldering flux paste. Then solder the pads. They are not soldered perfectly. Now bring the new charging port, heat the board for a few seconds, then put the new charging port. Wait until it fits in the place, and that's it. Check the panels if they are connected to the pads, if they are moving or not. All good, seems all good. Now we can test the voltage again. Bring the multimeter, put the charger on and test the voltage. You can clean it before this. Okay, we are testing. It's 4.2. Okay, the problem has been resolved. Now we can assemble the phone back. That's all was for today. If you like this video, don't forget to support the channel by like and subscribe. We'll do something else in the next video. See ya. Like, subscribe, enable the ring. Click subscribe in the circle. For any questions, write it below.